I'm gonna use for my scarf, I'm gonna use this ball of yarn that has different colors, so I thought it would be very, very pretty. You can use any type of yarn that you want. So the suggested size hook for this yarn is a 5.5 millimeters. So always use the suggested one that is on the label of your yarn. You can always go a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger, but I would say you always follow the suggested one. So now I'm gonna start by making a simple knot. Insert my hook and pull. If this is your first time crocheting, there are two ways that you can hold your crochet hook, like this, like a pencil, or like this. You will find the one that fits you the best. These two fingers are to hold the project, which right now is just the yarn. This finger gives you the yarn, and this part of the yarn is there to give you the tension. This finger gives you the yarn, provides you the yarn to work with. Chain one. So yarn over, go through the loop, chain two, yarn over, go through the loop, chain three, yarn over, chain four. So you gotta try to make all your chains the same size, not smaller or bigger, same size, your whole project. See how this part of the yarn is going smooth. I'm not having trouble. It's not tight, but it's not also super loose. That's called the tension. That's what you want. You want to find the right tension. So I'm gonna keep making the chains until I have 24. Here I have the 24 chains. So now here is the time where you can see how the project is gonna be. This is gonna be the width of your project. If you like it, then keep going. If you think it's too wide or too narrow, you can add more chains or take some chains. It's up to you. It depends on how thick is your yarn, but for me this is perfect right now. So I'm just gonna keep going. So now we said 1, 2, 3, 4. In the number 4 we're gonna start making a double crochet. So let's count. Chain number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna make there a double crochet. So for the double crochet, I yarn over, insert the hook inside the chain, pull the yarn to the front, adjust. So this is the tension again. Adjust a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have your first double crochet. Now it says chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet in the same chain space. Chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook in the same space, bring yarn to the front, adjust. I'm gonna tell you why I'd adjust once I finish this one. Adjust a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And here I have my first V stitch. I'm gonna make the next one. So now it says skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third one do this again. Alright, yarn over, skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third one insert your hook, bring the yarn to the front, and I'm gonna show you here why I adjust, because once you do this, it's kind of tight. You don't want to do that right there, because look, your double crochet is gonna look super small and it might get a little super tight. So I would not recommend doing it there or making it super loose, like have it like there. So you're gonna make a super big double crochet. It's up to you, but I think you need to find the middle part, not too tight, not too loose, because your scarf is gonna be super loose unless that's the way you want it. So that's why I do insert the hook, bring the yarn to the front, adjust just a little bit. Don't do it right there when it's too tight or super loose, just a little bit. Now pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 1, yarn over, in the same chain space, bring yarn to the front, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you have your second V stitch. I'm gonna keep following my chart. So again, skip 2 and make another V stitch, and I'm gonna see you here. I worked all the way through with my V stitches, and just as the pattern says, as the chart says, skip 1 and 1 double crochet in your last chain. So skip 1 and 1 double crochet in your last chain. First row completed. Let's keep going. Now it says chain 2, 1, 2, turn your project, you make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in your last chain. So yarn over, here is my last chain in the V, inside the V. So I go there and make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and in the same chain space 1 double crochet. Yarn over, here is the chain space, insert the hook, double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. I'm gonna make it a little faster here. Don't worry, you're gonna get super fast once you practice. Alright, now here is my last V stitch. It's my last V, and it's telling me now where I had the chains. In that chain, make 1 double crochet. So my 2 chains are here, 1, 2. These are separate from the V stitch. So what I like to do is go like that. So there are the 2 chains. I go in this one and I get my hook there, and I just make there a double crochet. So I made 1 double crochet just like this says. Now chain 2. Let's do row number 3. For row number 3, chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, yarn over, and here in this chain I make again 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, yarn over. And now, as you can see, it is super easy to follow the pattern because you're just working inside the V stitches that you already made. And as I would always recommend, you just need to crochet, keep making your projects, and you're gonna gain velocity and you're gonna be able to crochet fast if you want to. And the tension is not gonna be a problem at all. You're just gonna find your unique tension. Yarn over, and now in these 2 chains it says make 1 double crochet. So in this 1, 2, in the second one I go inside, pull yarn to the front, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's how it looks like. So I'll just keep going until I reach the, how you say, the size that I like. Oh, so again I just made 2 chains, turn your work, yarn over, and in this V stitch I'm just gonna keep making another V stitch. I'm gonna work like this until the very end of my project. I'm gonna see you once I get the length that I want. I have completed all my yarn. This is how much I made. I made 156 rows. This is how it looks like because of the yarn that I'm using. It has different colors, so I love it. These are all the colors that I love. There we go. It's a long scarf. So now, as I'm finishing here, just gonna cut my yarn. I'm gonna pull this yarn. So here, I'm gonna make a chain and I'm gonna pull the yarn. Now, with a yarn needle, because this is no wrong or right side, you can just hit this yarn anywhere you want. I'm gonna do it here. I'm just gonna hide it here in the back. If you don't have a yarn needle, you can do the same with your crochet hook. Just hide it. I'm gonna leave it there. And that's the end. I hope you like this video. Please comment, let me know how yours turn out, and share this video with somebody that you know that would like to make a scarf with me. And I'll see you in the next video.